The first thing you want to do for this install is to loosen this bolt, or this clamp right here, by twisting this end. And then it should come right off. Alright, the next thing you want to do for this install is to undo this little clip right here by squeezing both tabs together and then pulling it down. And it should come right out. Alright, after you get these two clips undone, you just want to pull from the bottom, and the bottom will come out, and then pull the tube off the throttle body. It should come off like that. Alright, this is the kit that Seoulfulracing provides for your blow-off valve. It comes with system upgrade couplers, 2 of them. It comes with the piping. The adapter is interchangeable with an HKS blow-off valve or the one that they provide for you. It's made out of aluminum, mandrel bent. Diameter is pretty big on this. And the ends here are so the couplers don't blow off while you're making boost. And in the box they provide the blow-off valve, which is made in Korea and is proven to hold like 3 bars, which is about 45 psi boost with no leaks at all. It looks very well made. Also comes with vacuum line and the clamps and the ring you need for the blow-off valve. And you'll also need zip ties and additional clamps for the couplers. Alright, to install the blow-off valve onto the pipe, you're first going to need the red O-ring. You're going to place it on around the inlet, and then you're going to place the blow-off valve on and use snap ring pliers to put the snap ring in place, push it down, and it should fit right into the groove, and the blow-off valve should be secure. This is what the whole kit should look like after it's done assembled. The blow-off valve, the pipe, the clamps, and the couplers. Just like that. Alright, after you're done installing everything, just make sure you double check, make sure all the clamps are tightened down, especially down here, so there's no leaks. You know, just look around, make sure blow-off valve's on tight, you know, everything's secured to the throttle body, and it should basically look like this. And now where everyone gets confused the most, we'll start with the vacuuming. Alright, right here is where you want to disconnect, because this is where your vacuum hose will be connected to, and this will run directly to the blow-off valve. So I'm going to take this off right here. And pull that off. You want to connect your vacuum hosing right here. And then basically the other side will run all the way to your blow-off valve. Like that. Alright, after you connect the vacuum hose to right here into the blow-off valve, you want to use black zip ties would look best to clamp on the vacuum hose to here, and just, you know, work your way through to make it look clean, and use another zip tie to clamp on the vacuum hose to the blow-off valve. It should look just like that. Alright, for the other hose that you just disconnected and you replaced with this vacuum hose, you want to use the T-fitting that's included with the kit and T one side into the existing hose that you just disconnected, and you want to find the hose here marked with red that already has the pre-existing yellow paint and T-fitting here. You want to cut into that hose right in the middle and then put both ends of that hose and connect it to this T-fitting, and then use a clamp or a zip tie, whichever one you want to use, to secure the hose.